Good morning, how are you? Well, we were going to fish the river yesterday, but when I had a look at it, it's pretty low and it's very clear. And the part of the river I wanted to fish is in a big open field. So I thought, change of plan. The river will always be there, the chub are going to be there. Today, Osprey Lake. I wanted to fish it last week, but there was a match on. So we fished woodpecker last week, check that video out. That was good fun. The ups and downs of angling. But today, osprey. And we are basically after anything. But there are some lumps in here. So I've picked this swim. This is number 12. We've got a float. It's almost set up. I'm going to show you how it's set up. So easy, so effective, and so deadly. And here's the other clincher. Yeah. Dynamite Robin Red. I couldn't get this for over, I don't know, 2-3 months. Disappeared from the shops, couldn't get it. Popped into the shop yesterday, I thought I'd get some meat, and there it was. And to me, it's one of the deadliest meats for fishing you can use. No, honestly, it's true. So welcome to Fishing with Clive. I'm just going to strap this on my chest. I'll show you the link set up on the float and we'll get cracking. We are going to have a good day. Anything can happen in the next half hour. But this is something I want to show you guys. I think this is brilliant. So we've got a loaded waggler. A loaded waggler basically means the float is already weighted, you see. But here we have some float stops and a quick change link. So if we want to change the float, we just undo that clip, take the float off, put another one on. These grip hold of the line, so you can slide the float up or down to your depth and it'll keep the float in the same place. They're wonderful little things, they are, and they save so much messing about rather than trying to. So basically they're just called float stops, and all they are these, and you just put your line through one of these wires, hold the line so the loop goes through here, and you just pull these direct. There's already a carp, look. I put that hemp seed out on that and they're already milling around over the top of it. Here we go, fun time. What a lovely morning. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see my float down there. I've just taken off the meat. I know it'll work, but I'm going to perhaps use it a bit later. So I've just put on a worm and maggot because I'm suspecting that these are bream bubbles, but they're all round the float. I'm getting these little bobs. But at the moment, I don't think the meat is going. But if the bream there, worm and maggot, well, all fish love worms, so hopefully we'll catch one pretty soon. But my swim is alive, it's full of feeding fish. It's absolutely full of them. So the ground bait is pulling them in. I'm just putting one ball out every 15-20 minutes, that's all. But it's definitely working. I don't mind that it's slow to start with, it's absolutely fine. I'm getting lots of these tentative little plucks, but it won't be long before we're into a fish. I just know it. You know yourself, you get that feeling. I mean, look at it. It's just full of bubbles. Those little pinprick bubbles. Sure signs of fish feeding. Oh, we're having some fun with the skimmers, guys. After getting smashed up by that carp on maggots earlier, which I was very surprised about, considering a lot of boilies are used here. I didn't think they would take them. Lovely fish, really nice. Let's put it back. Just gone 4 o'clock and it is tough. It's so hot. I knew it was going to be a warm day, but not as warm as this. It's absolutely roasting, guys. Still got about another 3 hours left, so we'll see if we can get some more fish. But I haven't got any shade in front of me really. Let the sun to go down a bit. Chap over there has had a second carp out. I don't think it was huge, but he's only had the 2. But it's sweltering. I mean, a lot of the carp are just basking around in the sun. It's so hot. Got plenty of water, fortunately. Otherwise I'd have been in trouble, without any doubt. There's a little bit of a breeze, but not very much. Must admit, I was hoping for a much better day. I mean, we haven't blanked, you know, we've had that ghost carp and a few skimmers, some little perch. So it's not like we haven't, you know, we haven't caught anything, but I'm beginning to think myself, I think I'd like to have been home with some fans. It's just it's crazy. This hot weather has just gone on and on and on and on. It's relentless. I'm not moaning, I'm just having a tiny little whinge. Anyway, I'm going to have a half-hour kip, then we'll get back to it again. See if we can get at least one more carp out anyway. But I'm not going to sit in that sunway. It's like a sun trap in that swim. It's just too hot. I don't want to get burnt. I don't want to put my jumper on because I'm going to melt. Give you a bit of an update later. If I haven't slithered away. 7:15. We're going to pack up at about 10 minutes to 7. Just caught this clonking roach. It's a cracker. Look at that. That's a beauty. I'd be happy to catch those all day long. That's a lovely fish. Well, hope you enjoyed today's fishing anyway, even though it's really tough going, especially with that heat. But we had our target fish, the ghost carp. Just had that really nice roach. Had skim of bream. So lost that big carp this morning, but we haven't done too bad considering. I think we've done quite well really. So it's going to be for me goodbye. Thank you very much for viewing. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week. I hope we get some rain during the week because we desperately need it. But we did have a bit of fun, that's for sure, and we caught the target. So keep hydrated out there, won't you? And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.